I'm Brendan. I'm the owner of ActionHQ. And ActionHQ is a data-driven communications and communications technology agency. We've been delivering client communications jobs since 2006 under the ActionHQ brand, and the team have been responsible for delivering over 22,000 communications projects and about over 40 million communication in touch points. Essentially, we help our clients deliver niche communications projects, and we use technology, project management, and professional services to get the job done. And in 2022, we discovered the Vibe.fyi product for workplace internal communications, and we thought that was a good idea to add to our toolkit.
Amazing. So when you found out about Vibe in 2022, what was it that really led you to partner with Vibe?
Yeah, I think our clients have a expectation of ActionHQ to turn up with leadership, with innovation, and bring to them new technologies. So being in the space of communications and technology, talking to corporate communications teams on a regular basis, we could see a need for the product, and we wanted to bring something fresh and innovative to the corporate teams. So it just made perfect sense for us to engage with the product and bring it to the marketplace.
Awesome. So when you're talking with your customers about Vibe, you say you have this sense of, responsibility, if you will, to give them market-leading communication solutions. So when you chat to your customers about Vibe, what kind of responses or feedback do you normally get?
Yeah, definitely really positive responses because it is generally something new. A lot of organizations that we're talking to, they either don't have a communication signage platform, or if they do, they're using more of a traditional customer-facing platform rather than a specialized internal communications platform. So a couple of the things they really like is that Vibe is a multi-channel platform. So it delivers content to digital signage screens for the likes of the hard to reach workforce, and also delivers communications to desktop screensavers, web browsers, and through to intranets for those desk-bound workers. And the workers on the go can get content through their mobile devices, Apple, Android, and so forth. So they really like the fact that it's multi-channel. You can create content in a centralized location, and that content will automatically be repurposed for the channel that it's being delivered to and consumed from. So that's definitely a winner, and great feedback from the customers. They also really like the power of the administration and the simplicity of the administration of the platform. So the ability to have a team who can create content, a team who can review content, and a team who are responsible to publish the content, and all the controls that you expect, being able to manage what time content is displayed, for how long it's displayed, how often you expect it to come up. So the administration of the platform is definitely a winner, and we get a lot of great feedback on that.
Amazing. You touched on so many, good features and functionality. What do you think sets Vibe apart from other, digital signage solutions in the marketplace?
I think what sets Vibe apart from traditional digital signage platforms is definitely the 70 plus digital signage slides, which are templates in the template library. So no matter what your communication topic is going to be, there's generally a slide you can literally search for. It'll bring up a variation of slides, and those slides are ready for you to populate content to. So the slide library is really, really powerful. One of the powerful things about the slides is that they automatically adapt the corporate brand to them. So the back end of the system will already embed corporate branding. All you need to do is load your imagery, your content, and the rest of the work's done. I think a really powerful thing about the slides is it enables a corporate brand to be integrated, but also when there's brands across multiple locations or multiple brands within a corporate, you can create content in one slide, and that slide will deliver all the variations of brand across locations and regions. So that's a really powerful thing, and it really helps Vibe stand out from, the competitive landscape. Another great thing that clients like about the platform is the ability to integrate into other business applications. For example, the Vibe platform integrates directly into the likes of SharePoint, Workplace, things like Power BI, and also integrates into social channels like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. So the powerful thing about that is content can be created outside of the platform by people who understand these other applications, and the content will be streamed directly to slides in relevant playlists. For example, in SharePoint, you might want to create some content around snippets of a newsletter, and those snippets will automatically display on the right screens at the right time. So that's a really powerful thing, and it makes sure that you can increase your ability to get content to screens and reduce the amount of time it takes to produce content and deliver that content. The other really neat thing that I think sets Vibe apart is what we call the infotainment channels. So you can actually set up screens that will provide content, which is like the weather, the news, sports, surf reports, all sorts of really interesting content. And the powerful thing about the infotainment is that the content's delivered based on geolocation. So if you have multiple screens across multiple locations, multiple regions, the content that comes to those screens is actually very relevant based on location. The infotainment is really powerful because it sort of keeps the eyes on the screen. It's a what's in it for me as a employee, what's interesting, and then you can actually mix up the content of the organization and keep that mix quite beautiful. So it's a really powerful way, again, to deliver more content, keep it all working nice and tight. So there'll be definitely some of the standouts that I think are really powerful. I think partnering with the Vibes impacted our business in a really positive light because it's given us something fresh to bring to our customers. They are expecting innovation, like I mentioned earlier on. We're bringing them innovation. We're bringing them a topic which is relevant to our business. It's communications and technology. So I guess it's just delivering something fresh, keeping relevant, and aligned to our kind of business purpose and mission about empowering our customers' organizations to grow and do better. So it's very well aligned to our business. Well, I'd say it's a great idea, particularly if you are in the technology space and if you're in the communication space and you are consulting with organizations. The Vibe platform is a refreshing product to take to a customer. Without a doubt, everybody I've spoken to has found it interesting, and they can see that this product can save them a lot of time in producing content. So if you're looking at partnering with the team, not only is it a great product, but they are an awesome team. So the Vibe team are committed to your success, and they've got a very powerful support infrastructure to surround around you. If you're a client, partnering with the Vibe team and the Vibe product is fantastic, and I can guarantee it will be refreshing. If you're currently using digital signage, this will be a nice, refreshing tool where you'll immediately see the benefits of working with this product, and you'll find it an enjoyable product to work with.